Guys, we're going live, and with me here tonight is
Yes, sir.
Carlos Lola, one of the most
Lolo, sir.
known
Lolo.
one of the most known ano tawag mo yung art na ginagawa mo?
Agrobatic.
Agrobatic.
Batik.
He's a kind of this gymnastic.
Agrobat.
It's a
Yes.
kind of gymnastic by which he balances
58 years old.
himself. He is 58 years old
Yes.
and very strong, and he gonna show us what he can do, and he maintained his health, good health, ability, agility, strength, and power through all of this what he calls the agrobat. Okay, so he's taking a rest right now, and after his rest he can show us what he can do. Oh, nobody else can do what he can do, siya lang. At iyon po ay it took him years to practice, kaya minimaintain niya hanggang ngayon. By the way, we are here in Romblon, okay, and ito isang kaibigan natin ito, magpapakita ito ng gilas, no. He will show us his skills. Alright, so the time now here is almost 1 o'clock. It's 12:40. Look at that. Panoorin natin po. Balance. He is 58 years old. Ang galing. Okay. Yan. Lapitan natin para makita natin. And by the way, Romblon is the marble quarry of the Philippines. Mga upuan ay gawa ng marble, mga tiles ay gawa ng marble. He's doing this for us. Oh, look at that. Ang galing, no? Kaya ba natin yan? Of course, hindi natin kaya. Kasi kanya-kanyang practice yan eh. Yan. Ang galing. My friend, Carlos Lolo. You can follow him. He's also a blogger. And he does a lot of things. Okay, na-meet natin siya dito sa Romblon. Naging kaibigan natin siya. And pinapakita niya yung kanyang gilas. Okay, so nandito tayo sa park ngayon at this time of the night. Okay, you know, mismo ano, galing.